Okay. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, Keith.
Hello, Dr. Jones. Thank you for joining us here for meeting with the DIPG DMG Collaborative to discuss a little bit about your grant. I know that we have some familiarity with it because this is a continuation grant, but we're joined by both Troy Bailey of Run DIPG and Hide from Love for Lucas. And
hi, nice to meet you guys.
Hello, nice to meet you.
You too. I know they had some things they wanted to talk about here first. So Troy, I'll go ahead and turn it over to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, firstly, I wanted to open up with saying it's a privilege to be part of the collaborative and to be able to fund your ACVR1 mutant DIPG grant for a second year in a row. So Keith, if you could hold up.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
$501,183. Once again, will be coming towards you to keep pushing towards finding options and choices for families and patients. So it is very dear to us because our little Josie actually had an ACVR1 mutation as well. So congratulations. I'll pass over to Hide.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm happy to announce that with this grant, you've become the top researcher in DIPG Collaborative history. We're always and have been impressed with your work, and you've led a lot of research on DIPG and really better understanding the mechanisms behind what's going on. And so your initial studies have been really promising. And so on the behalf of the collaborative, we're really supportive of your dedication and your study of DIPG and DMG.
Thank you so much for those kind words, and obviously for the wonderful award. It's very humbling to think that I am the top funded researcher from the collaborative. I should point out that this money doesn't all come to me. This has been a really fun thing to be a part of, actually, because it's a collaboration between 5 labs around the world. So that money will be split evenly as it was last year. It's terrific to work with these people from all kinds of time zones, all kinds of times of day and night to have our collaborative meetings and to talk about our data and to keep pushing forward. So it's really on behalf of everybody that I say thank you so much for your support for all the work that we're doing. We are really excited about it, actually. So we've got some really promising results in the first clinical trial. And we're doing this as part of the Connect Collaborative, which, has fantastic clinical trial platform that, if the data warrant it, we're really excited to push this into clinical trial as soon as possible. So now having this support means we can get on and do those experiments and hopefully push this into new therapies for children with this disease.
I think the next challenge I'd like for your help in doing is help to let people understand what this really is and try to get that done in maybe a minute or two. What should people know about the high points of what this is going to do over the next 5-10 years?
Sure, absolutely. So several years ago, we discovered that around a quarter of DIPG patients had mutations in this gene called ACVR1. This gene is not really found in any other form of human cancer, so it was a big surprise to us. And so we've been working ever since to try to figure out ways to target tumors which have this mutation. We've worked with several academic institutes and drug companies who have made drugs against the mutant ACVR1. We have one very promising candidate now with one certain company, a drug which is already in the clinic. And so we're trying to prove that it's going to be valuable in kids who have this type of DIPG. And so we partnered with 4 other labs worldwide to test this drug against all of the models that we have in the lab, in the dish in the lab, but also in our mouse models, to really prove or otherwise that this drug, in combination with another drug as well, is really going to be effective for these kinds of tumors. So we've done that in the lab dishes. We're hoping to do that in the mice this year. And then if we do get promising results, we hope to take that to clinical trial really, as early as towards the end of this funding scheme. So we're really excited with what the promise of this combination is and about getting this, into children who have this type of disease.
Well, once again, congratulations, Dr. Jones. Phenomenal work, and we're glad to be supportive of it.
Thank you so much for your support, continued support over the years. They make a huge difference to us to carry out this work. So just thanks again for everything that you do.